Okay, I just want to do a quick unboxing of what I purchased from James Avery. And if you watched my last video, you know that my niece gave me a gift card to James Avery. I just kind of wanted to show you the earrings that I bought and how I clean my silver. So if you're interested, just keep watching. Okay, and they have different variations of these earrings that I bought. I really like the little pouch, the way they come packaged. And here they are. These are what I chose to purchase. And I did so because I have the pendant and then I have the ring. And the reason I got this out is because I want to show y'all how I would shine this back up. This one is actually brightened. So I have here some toothpaste. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to grab a little bit of it and start cleaning this off with the toothpaste. And it can be any toothpaste as far as I know. Just rub it in there really good. See how it took all the tarnish off. Okay, and there you see that it got clean. And then I just, sometimes I'll rinse it under the faucet, but for now I'm just using a wet paper towel. See how pretty that is? I'm going to go ahead and do this one too because it looks a little tarnished. So again, I just get some toothpaste. And I don't know if it has to be like, I wouldn't do the gel one, like any gel type of toothpaste. I think it has to be like the white paste. And I know jewelry cleaner can be very expensive, so this is an easy way to do this, to get it clean. It can be kind of messy, but just get it in there. You gotta rinse it off really good. Oops. It's a whole lot cleaner. I don't know if this back part is meant to be dark. I think it is. No, it's not. Cause see, some of it's coming off. But like this one, I probably would run under the faucet just to get that toothpaste out. So let me rinse it off really quick. Okay, so that's the best I could get it. I couldn't get it all off. But I think that if I had like a little bristle brush, I could probably get that off better. But there it is, and it's amazing how clean it gets just with toothpaste. But you have to see how it got in there. So you have to be careful to wash it all off. But anyway, let me try these on really quick so y'all can see what these look like on. These actually say Avery on there. $9.25, and of course it has to be sterling silver for it to work. This one has the old logo. It's just kind of like that candle. Well, I'm not sure what that is. Yeah, it looks like a candlestick or something. I don't know. And then of course this one's brightened. Yeah, see, it has the heart there for brighten. So there is the earring on. It is so pretty. I really like these. And I got these because I can see those other ones slipping out of my ear. Very pretty. Okay, and I cleaned this one too. I had cleaned it last time and I had left a lot of the toothpaste in there. It looks pretty. So this one was as tarnished as this one. See how clean it gets with the toothpaste. So I'll probably go through and try to clean more of these. See, all of these need to be cleaned. But not today. But not today. That is just a quick video on what I purchased and how to clean your silver. So thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.